Yeah, hello everyone. So I am making this video for carrot oil cleanser. Yeah, so I'm making this video just to reduce the questions because I know that a lot of questions is gonna come, so I had to make this video. And secondly, I made a post yesterday about orange oil. Yeah, so there was a lot of questions, and many people were asking me if it's possible for them to use green orange, which I said no. It is better for you to use this colored orange. This is organic orange. It's really good for this what is it called, for this oil. Yeah, so that it can give you a good result that you want. So because of it, and I decided to make up something. So this is carrots. I took just 3. Now I cut, you see, and peel out the back. Okay, please just watch carefully so that you will not ask me many questions, because the other one I got a lot of questions, which I want the question to reduce for this one. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, now I have cut my carrot, so I'll be packing it and put it in my jar. So please do watch. Yeah, here we go. Now I have to use my right hand. Okay, so pack and put in the jar because I will be grinding it. I'll be blending it, okay, just to extract the water. So you'll be adding rose water to blend it, but unfortunately I don't have as you can see, look, I don't have rose water in here. The one I had is finished, so and I don't know what to do because I don't really want to go out now to get the material, so I had just to make it do with the materials I have at home. So so the only option left for me here is option B, which is water. So I'll be using a normal water. So please, I advise you to go for this rose water. It's very nice, and it will give a good smell. Okay, yeah, so the option B is for me to use just a normal water. Okay, so this is it. Just add a little of it. Oh yeah, okay, just add a little of water to your jar. Yeah, just grind to make it a paste. Now I've done that, so please do watch. Yeah, this is the carrot juice. So, and we'll be needing tomato. Yeah, tomato is very good for aging, for pigmentation, for skin whitening. Yeah, it has a good properties that will help to brighten up your, if you have a scar or a dark scar, a dark spot, so it helps to cleanse it away. So it's very good. So I'll be adding this, and also with lemon. Okay, so now I'll be cutting this. Of course, I'll be blending it also. If you have a grater, fine for you, then use it to blend it, and just to extract the water. Please, if you want to blend the tomatoes, do not add water to it. Okay, just cut it and put it in your jar. Blend it that way. Okay, so this is the tomato ground to paste. Okay, As I said earlier on, please do not add water to it if you want to blend it. Just cut it and put it that way. See, this one did not blend. Yeah, this is the tomato juice. As I told you before, please do not add water to it if you want to blend it. Okay, just blend, cut and blend, and extract the water. And why this one is carrot juice. Yeah, so as I said before, tomato is good for aging, to renew your age. Yeah, and brighten up your skins. And if you have scars and something like pimples and any spot scars at all, if you have any, it will help you to brighten it up and grow your skin. Okay, so right now I'll be adding lemon. This is it. Okay, this is the lemon. I'll be cutting it into two and squeeze out water from it. Just watch.
To the sofa.
Yeah, so this is the lemon juice. So these are the three ingredients that you'll be needing for this DIY. So how do we go about it? First, you take a spoon, uh, 1 tablespoon from, maybe you can make it two tablespoons from the carrot juice, and take same two from the tomatoes juice. Okay, make sure it is two. Then you take two from here, which is the lemon juice. So mix the three ingredients together, and use your wipe. Look at what I'm using. So you can use cotton wood or whatsoever that you think it can take water. So just take it and use it and clean. Oh my god, I don't know how to go about this one now because I'm holding the phone. Okay, just hold on. So use it and clean your face like this, and allow it to sit for like 20 minutes. If it is possible for you, you can also allow it to sit for like 30 minutes. Okay, then you go and wash it out. Then after that, if you still have yesterday I posted orange oil, so if you have it, you can just use it and apply on your face and leave it. Please do this every night. Okay, it works perfectly. Lastly, I want to take something, maybe something like advice. You know, we don't have that thing called P, which is patient. Okay, please, some of us might just apply it once or twice and expecting results. It doesn't work like magic. Okay, this is an organic. It's not a bleaching cream that you can use for just 2 days or 1 week and come on, you see your body white, and then you start seeing dark knuckles and others. This doesn't work that way. This takes a process. It takes time for it, and depending on your skin. Of course, if you apply it regularly every night, you use it to clean your face and apply the orange oil every night for 1 week. I think the next week you should be able to get a changes. Yeah, your face is gonna be brightened a little. So for me, I use it for I have a very strong skin that many creams don't even work for my skin. Yeah, so and I thank God that this was able to do the work. But I used it for 2 weeks before I start getting result. So please be patient with it. Do it and continue doing it until you get a result. Okay? Yeah. But the promise I'm making to you now is that it will give you a beautiful, brighten, glowing skin, because everything here is organic, and it will whiten your face in a way that you like it. All right, okay, enjoy. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. I'm all here for you to answer your questions. Okay, all right, bye.